Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to view element codes in Canva. This is a quick, reliable way to identify an element and find related graphics that share the same style. It's especially useful if you're trying to keep your designs consistent for a brand, product line, or Shopify store. If you've ever wanted to know exactly which asset you're using or explore matching items without guessing, this will help you do it with confidence. Start by opening your project in Canva so you're looking at the design where your element appears. Click the element you're interested in. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or handles appear around it. This works for graphics, shapes, stickers, and similar design elements, basically anything you've added from Canva's Elements library. Next, right-click directly on that selected element to open the context menu. From the menu, choose Info. If the Info option isn't showing, make sure you right-clicked on the element itself and not an empty area of the canvas. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same way as a right-click. Selecting the element first is important, so Canva knows which item you want details for and doesn't show generic options instead. In the Info view, look for the option labeled View Collection and click it. This takes you straight to the collection that the element belongs to. A collection in Canva is a set of related items created in the same style, often by the same contributor, so everything feels cohesive. This is great when you want icons, illustrations, or graphics that all look like they belong together. When you click View Collection, the Elements tab opens on the left side of your screen. At the top of that panel, in the search bar, you'll see the element code displayed. That code is the identifier for the exact item you selected. It's typically a sequence used by Canva to pinpoint that element in its library. Seeing it in the search bar confirms you're in the right place and makes it easy to reference the item later if you want to reuse it or search for it again. Just note that this is different from a color hex code. It identifies the element, not a color. Below the search bar, you'll also see additional elements from the same collection. This is a great way to find variations and complementary graphics that match the look and feel of your original choice, without having to manually search and compare styles. If you're building a consistent theme across slides, social posts, or product visuals, browsing this collection can save time and help keep your visual style unified, which is especially important for branding and professional-looking designs. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click your element, right-click and select Info, then choose View Collection. The element code will appear in the Elements panel search bar on the left, along with other items from the same collection. With these few clicks, you can identify elements accurately and discover coordinated options without guesswork. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!